Salamat sa pagpunta kasi itong gabi ito ginawa namin talaga para sa mga kaibigan namin sa media. So, ako nga po pala si Jay Sabale and allow nyo na lang akong introduce sa inyo ulit kung sino si Playtime. So, next slide. So, that's me. There you go. So, next slide please. So, in just 1 year, we've been very, very blessed beyond what we expected. And we are overwhelmed as I stand before you right now. Kasi, yung paglaki ng company, imagine, in just 1 year, we now have 2 million daily average users. And we have more than 20 million subscribers. And it's still growing. And all of those, they trust us. And they are not just players to us, but they are part of our journey kung nasaan kami ngayon. And ine-enjoy nila yung, next slide. They are enjoying yung vast library of games namin, which is more than 4,500 games, kung saan you'll be excited, you'll have fun, lalo na kapag nag-join kayo sa community namin. Next slide. And of course, we are a staunch supporter of the arts and entertainment. So, isa-isay ko lang po yung mga sponsor na namin para malaman po ninyo. So of course, Binibining Pilipinas, PMPC Star Awards for Film and Music, of course our brand ambassador, Vic Soto, Beer Below Zero Preview Ball, Tribute to Soldiers, Fireworks Circus Music Festival, Viva Max, 50th Metro Manila Film Festival. So, kasama po kami dyan. Yung Akon concert na nangyaring Tuesday, Mascara Festival, Bumper to Bumper Car Show. This is the car show that goes around the whole Philippines. And of course, meron din kaming CSR activity, Gawad Kalinga, DSWD, and yung pinakalitas namin, Alagang Kapatid Foundation, and of course, yung Wizard and more. Next slide, please. So our social media pages have also done a lot of milestone in just less than a year of operation. So next slide. So ano ba yung direksyon ng mga industriya ngayon? Right now, the direction is going digital. And of course, online gaming, we welcome new players. Bakit? Because new players will cultivate competition. So yung mga operator, they will give their best. And of course, yung gaming public, yung magbe-benefit dito. And kung nabasa niyo yung mga article, ito rin yung magandang panlaban sa sinasabi natin monopoly that destroys industries. Next slide. So, alright, so Playtime will continue to innovate and produce exciting games in the future, one of which is a game that Filipinos love and have enjoyed for a long time. So ano po ba yun? I-expect po, papasok na rin po kami sa bingo. So sino mahilig mag-bingo rito? Yan, so magkakaroon na rin kami ng bingo. You can visit us and we'll have better and bigger prizes for you. Yan. So, pero itong mga milestone na to, itong mga blessing, hindi lang ito para sa amin. That's why it reminds us that we have a responsibility to give back to the community that has supported and helped us reach this goal. So we are reminded every day that we have achieved is not just for our benefit alone, but to share with others, to spread love, and to lift up those around us. With full hearts, we are proud to announce our commitment to this cause through our Playtime Cares program. Ito yung CSR, Play with a Purpose. So we want to make a difference in the lives of those who need it the most. Sorry, nagpapawisan po ako. So, pantay please. Anyway, so muli mga kaibigan, maraming salamat sa pagpunta. Mag-enjoy po tayo. And sana po, ayan po, Gawad Kalinga, pabalik na po. So, gagawa po kami ng playground para po sa kanilang mga villages. We're also part of the DSWD program, the government, and of course, latest partnership, Alagang Kapatid Foundation with Channel 5. So, enjoy na po and maglaro po kayo, maganda yung mga prizes natin. Bye-bye!